Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can update your title and meta for your website. Like you have a website and you want to show a required title and meta why the user is searching for it. For example, here we have a website that is Owlin Routine. Here you can see that this website have a title named as this achieve optimal health with Owlin range of nutritional supplements and all, and then we have this meta description. So this may impact the user that what exactly you are selling to them. So it gives the user an idea that what kind of services the website or the company is providing. Okay, so how we can update it for our other URLs? So let me just show you. First you need to go on your dashboard. To visit your dashboard you can write here slash then wp hyphen admin. Okay, then you will be redirected to your login page where you need to fill out your login password and username. Then you will get a dashboard like this. Okay, so first you need to have a plugin named as RankMath SEO. Once you have that plugin, then in the dashboard of that plugin, that is this RankMath SEO plugin dashboard, you will be able to see some more plugins that which will be visible like this. Okay, so you can see we have some plugins which are visible right now here. You need to download one plugin first here so that you can access to others also. Okay, so as you are done till here, you can just go and write title and meta for your page. So here I have some title and meta list for my website. So for example, let's go to any one of the page and just try to update title and metas. So for example, we just go to this all pages section and let's update the dietary page section. So here is this dietary page section. Click on this page. Okay, now we get a edit page option. What you need to do here, you will be able to see a option like this in your website. Click on that and then you will get a view like this. Let me first show you that how exactly our dietary page is appearing right now. Let's see, is it indexed or not. Let me just go and Google it first. Okay, as per our Google, it's visible here. So this is how it's appearing right now. Let's go. Okay, so let's go back here and click on this edit snippet option. Now go and copy the details. So as I just copied here, now I need to remove all these things and I write this. I think this is not that much suitable for our page. We can just write here best dietary products. I hope now it's fine. I haven't seen this spelling mistake first, so we need to change this. First we need to fix out this issue. Now here we need to put our description also. Copy and paste it here. Okay, so we have added this best dietary product. Okay, let me just make some more changes here. We can write here best word also because we have already tried the best keyword here. Otherwise we need to change the best keyword with the top quality one. Okay, so choose it accordingly. Now let me just remove it, and if you can see here, we have here only 10 scoring. Now we have 50. Okay, now we can edit our the title. We have edited our title description. Now we can edit our main page URL also. So let me just show you that how you can change the page URL. Click on this summary option. Now click here. I think this URL is literally the best dietary um, best hyphen dietary. So now our URL also have the same thing. Now it says that the focus keyword does not appears in the beginning of your content because this page doesn't have any kind of content. It just have the products only. Okay, now just go down and see but are the errors still it's showing. So as all these are not available on this page, so we are facing these issues. Once we just go and update our content, then all these will be removed. Now you can just click on update option. If your product is not in indexing phase, then you can just go to your search console account and you can paste the URL here. Then you will be able to see the indexing status for that page. As we have changed the URL, we need to update our URL first. So let me just open it, or I can just copy this URL from here also. Okay, so let me just copy it, and now let's go here and paste the URL. Okay, we just did a mistake. Let me put it again. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, it says that this is not on Google because we have changed the URL. So we need to click on request indexing, then our page will get indexed on Google, and you will be able to see the results within 10 to 12 hours, or it can take just a minute also. So it depends on the Google timing, that how long it takes to index your pages. Okay, so you need to wait for some time, and this is how you can update your product title, meta, description, keywords, and all things. Even I have showed you that how you can update the page for indexing also. So here we can change the indexing status like this. So it will take few minutes to test this URL, and then it will send it for the indexing process. Okay, now we have requested for the indexing. Now from your side you have done your work. Now Google will pull your website URL, and then it will be indexed. So fine, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, if you have any issue, then you can just comment it down and I will try to help you. Thank you.